Yeah.
Good evening, everyone. It's Colon Cancer Awareness Month, and we are live with Dr. C.M. Parmeshwara today from Smile Institute of Gastroenterology, Bangalore. It is one of the fastest growing coloproctology centers in India. Dr. C.M. Parmeshwara is Chief Colorectal Surgeon and founder of Smiles with 20 years of experience under his belt. He has been treating multiple patients with colorectal problems. Hello, doctor.
Hi.
Thanks for taking out the time and joining us today.
Good evening, all, and I welcome you all to this live program on colorectal cancers. Welcome you all.
Welcome, doctor. So, as I said, doctor, in colon cancer, it is Colon Cancer Awareness Month, and colon cancer is the third leading cause of death from cancer in both men and women, and the second overall when men and women are combined. So, we wanted to know your thoughts on colon cancer and any stories that you might have encountered with the patients at Smiles here.
Yes.
Treated them or cured them.
Yes. See, this month is actually colon cancer awareness month across the globe. So, this colon cancers are increasing compared to other cancers in the recent times. So, why colon cancers are very, very important is colon cancer is the only cancer which is diagnosed very late in the country. The reason for diagnosing colon cancer very late in the country is that because of our healthcare systems in the country are not up to the mark. And colon cancers are diagnosed very late. About 78% of colon cancers, colorectal cancers in India are diagnosed in the late stage. In the late stage means you cannot treat those colon cancers, you cannot operate those colon cancers. So, as per ICMR, 78% are diagnosed very, very late. So, that is why colon cancer awareness is very, very important in India as well, like the West. Why it is diagnosed very late is, see, we have symptoms of colon cancer like bleed. For example, bleed, whenever there is a bleeding while passing stools or bleeding per anus or bleeding per rectum, people think it is piles, and because it is piles, people will not share with anyone because of some social stigma, some taboo, some shyness. So only in the late stage they go to a doctor. So when they go to a doctor, they actually don't go to a general practitioner or a specialist. They land up with quacks. Quacks are these duplicate doctors. We have these duplicate certificates practicing in India, nook and corner of this country. And now, as per European Society of Coloproctology, Dr. Praveen J. Gupta from Nagpur has published that India has got about 1.5 million quacks operating in this country. So these quacks, when people go with bleeding per rectum or bleeding per anus, they are not qualified doctors. They go to the history in detail. They just treat it as fissures or piles. They give some ointments. They give some topical applications, and they give some antibiotics and send them. So people go, and for sometimes it is bleeding free and they think it is cured and it is piles. But actually it would be either a rectal cancer or a colon cancer. So by the time they go to a specialist, this cancer would have spread to different parts of the body, and it cannot be treated. It cannot be operated. Either chemotherapy or radiotherapy or any forms of treatment cannot be treated at this stage of life. So that's why I tell colon cancer is very, very important, and the awareness on colon cancer to each and every citizen of this country is very important. That is why Colon Cancer Awareness Month. To tell you, Smiles is the first institute in the country to bring awareness on colon cancers. We have breast cancer awareness, we have cervical cancer awareness, we have oral cancer awareness. It's high time we have colon cancer awareness program as national programs in this country.
Well said, doctor. We have some questions in mind and we'll be throwing them to you so that our audience are more aware about the colon cancer.
Doctor, so why is colon cancer awareness important and what is the mission statement of Smiles behind colon cancer?
Yes, as I mentioned earlier, colon cancer is very important because of, they are diagnosed very late in life. About 78% of the colon cancers are diagnosed at end stage where they cannot be operated. The mission statement of Smiles is 78% are diagnosed in late stage. We want to diagnose every colon cancer at a very early stage, treat colon cancers and prevent colon cancer related deaths. 78% to 0% is our mission statement for this country, and prevent colon cancers by modifying lifestyle.
So doctor, what are the causes and preventions of colon cancer? What is the available treatment for it at Smiles?
Okay, let me tell the causes of colon cancer first. The causes of colon cancer are not exactly known, but obesity, lifestyle, eating processed food, eating foods on shelf, eating the processed meat, beef eaters, smokers, alcoholics, lack of physical activity, inflammatory bowel diseases, these are some of the colon cancer causes. It also very commonly run in families. For example, if anyone in the family, either mother or father or brothers have got colon cancer, there is more chances of siblings getting colon cancer. So these are some of causes of colon cancer. When it comes to symptoms of colon cancer, it can be bleeding per rectum, it can be alternating constipation and diarrhea, it can be pain abdomen, it can be weight loss or combination of all these things. If you find any one of these symptoms, it is an alarming sign and people have to seek the help of a specialist to get screened for colon cancer. It is something which is not to be neglected.
Who all are at risk and what are the screening options to detect colon cancer at Smiles?
Yeah, in India right now we don't have any kind of screening programs for colorectal cancers. But what I strongly recommend is people who are at risk. That is, people with a family history of colon cancer, people with obesity and bleed, people who are smokers, people who have a bad lifestyle, people who have bad eating habits. All these people are at the risk of colon cancers. So recently what we have noticed is though the colon cancer is seen in older age groups, that is after 50 or 60 years, in the recent times we see a lot of youngsters coming with colon cancers. We have screened about, we have brought awareness for colon cancers in the old Mysore region, covering Mandya, Ramnagar, Mysore, Tumkur, Bangalore rural district. We have covered about 28 lakh families. In these 28 lakh families, we have given awareness at the doorstep. By this awareness program at the doorstep, people came to our hospital for screening. We diagnosed about 13 youngsters with rectal cancers and colorectal cancers. So it's very, very important to bring awareness in this country for colorectal cancers.
Okay. Doctor, so how rampant it is in India and all over the world, and how important it is for India to be aware of the disease and fight it?
Yeah, actually in colon cancers compared to the West, Indian scenario, the cancers, the incidence of colon cancers are very less in India. But when compared to the West, but now because of lifestyle changes, because of the eating habits, because of urbanization, because of modernization, so this lifestyle changes, sleeping habits, physical activities, smoking, alcoholism, obesity, all these things are increasing in this country. So likewise, all the lifestyle disorders also are increasing. So colon cancers are also increasing in the country compared to the West. In the US, they say that by 2030, there will be 30% increase in colon cancers in 30 years age group in the US, as per the American Society of Colon and Rectal Surgeons. But what I say in India is what US will see in 2030, that you will see 30 years down the line because of lifestyle changes and dietary changes, dietary habits, bad eating habits. So all these things. So what I am telling is what US is facing now, India will see in the next 30 years to come. So this is the time for prevention. This is the time for lifestyle modification. So this is why I tell prevention is better than cure. We could not control diabetes in India. We could not control TB in India. We could not control cervical cancers in India. We could not prevent oral cancers in India. At least by doing a big intervention in the lifestyle, in the next 30 years, we can prevent colon cancers and we can prevent colon cancer related deaths if you do timely intervention.